Woke up with USDT stuck in OKX? Here's how to move it to Binance, fast. Zoom in animation of someone looking at their phone, concerned. Overlay OKX wallet with USDT balance. Suspenseful, then upbeat transition after fives. No stress. This 1-minute crypto transfer guide will save your day. Minute crypto transfer guide. Let's go! Countdown timer starts, 60 seconds. Overlay of Binance and OKX logos appearing. First, log into Binance. Go to Wallet, Deposit, choose USDT. Pick the same network as OKX, like TRC20 or ERC20. Binance, Wallet, Deposit, USDT. Match network, TRC20, ERC20. Screen recording of Binance app doing this action. Copy that deposit address, then open your OKX wallet. Tap Send, select USDT, and paste the Binance address. OKX, send USDT. Paste Binance address, screen showing pasting address into OKX with checkmark. Select the same network again, confirm the amount, and hit Send. Double check network, enter amount, confirm and send. Animation of transaction processing plus USDT flying to Binance. Give it a few minutes, and boom, your USDT lands in Binance. Done. USDT now in Binance. Binance dashboard showing updated balance with green tick. Crypto moves fast, but smart transfers protect your bag. Like, share, and follow for more no-fluff crypto how-tos. Like, share, and follow for smart crypto moves. Crypto tips made simple.